To remove someone's US citizenship, the government must go through a process called denaturalization, and that's exceptionally rare. Hey everyone, so let's clear up some of the confusion and fear around recent comments suggesting that US citizens can be deported and sent off to some foreign country. I get it, this sounds extreme and people are understandably freaking out, so let's walk through the facts and the law. First and foremost, if you were born in the United States, you are a US citizen by birth. That means that under the 14th Amendment of the Constitution, you're subject to the jurisdiction of the United States, not some foreign government. Therefore, under immigration law, you cannot be deported, transferred, or banished to another country if you are a US citizen by birth. This is settled constitutional law. There is no legal process under current immigration laws that allows the government to deport US-born citizens, period. Now let's talk about naturalized US citizens. Those are people who came to the US, obtained a green card, and then became citizens after immigrating. Even here, it's not simple. To remove someone's US citizenship, the government must go through a process called denaturalization, and that's exceptionally rare. It usually requires proving things like fraud in the original application or participation in serious crimes like terrorism or war crimes. Even if someone is denaturalized, they don't just vanish. They revert to lawful permanent residence or LPR status. And only then can the government try to remove them, but even then they still must follow the deportation and removal procedures under the Immigration and Nationality Act. This is a multi-step process that can't be done on a whim. Bottom line, there are layers of legal protections for both US-born and naturalized citizens. So no, the government cannot just round people up and send them to prison camps overseas, at least not legally. That's not how any of this works or how the US system is supposed to work under current immigration laws. If you're worried about any of these comments and how they might affect you or your family, talk to an experienced immigration attorney who can help separate fear from fact. Stay calm, stay informed, and keep climbing that mountain.